Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP, and in today's video I'll be walking you through everything you need to know about managing your orders on SPP. Let's get into it. Alright, now that we're signed in, we can have a look at how orders look to your teammates. The first thing that a team member sees when they sign in is the orders page, as you can see here. Orders are organized by their status. By default, if a service has an intake form, the order is going to be set to pending until the client submits further information. Once they've submitted this information, the order gets moved into the submitted stage, at which point you can sign in and move it to working once you're ready to work on it. Other than those, you have two more default statuses, which are complete and cancelled. You can also set up completely custom order statuses if you'd like by navigating into settings and then going into orders and creating the statuses that you need as such. By default, when you log in, orders both in working as well as submitted are shown to you. If you'd like to see more, you can navigate to any of these tabs over here, or you can click on the all tab to see all the available orders at the moment. You can also use the filter that we have on the far right over here to narrow down these orders based on status, service, tag, user assigned, which client it is, ratings, or date. You're able to receive emails as well as in-app updates for any orders that you're following. By default, you're subscribed to any new orders that get assigned to you. When you open an order, in the main panel, you're going to be able to see all the project data that your client submitted through the intake form over here, as well as payment history if it's a subscription, and the history of all the messages down under. On the right hand side here, you'll have the ability to change the status of the order to one of the ones that you've set up earlier, assign the order to any specific user, or follow and unfollow an order. Below these options, you're able to see more relevant information about the order and add tags to further organize your orders as you please. You can communicate with your customer directly within an order via the messages area here. Your customer can then reply from their SPP portal or directly from the email notification that they received. This reply will automatically get pulled into the order relevant to it. If you need to add a note for yourself or for your team, you can do so by using the sticky note up here or via sending a message to your team directly over here. Both these types of notes are only going to be visible for you and your team, and the customer will not be able to see these messages. Once you've finished your order and any communication with the client is complete, you can go ahead and send the report or update directly to the client from here, and then mark the order as complete from here. There are several additional options available under the Your Process area of your settings. For example, if we go into orders over here, you were able to customize a few things. If you'd like, you're able to skip the submitted order status and directly go into working once your client submits their intake form. Also, you can lock completed orders to make it so that your client has to click on request a revision in order to reopen an order. Let's say you set up a custom status that is named revision. You can make it so that when a client clicks on request a revision, it automatically gets assigned to revision status. You're also able to enable ratings to allow your clients to leave a rating on a completed order. You can also do other things from here, like managing your ticket settings with their statuses as well, setting up auto replies over here for when you're off, and manage your tags as well. If you need any help with your order management, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video, and I hope you have an awesome day.